In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade S&P 500 on Robinhood. First, here's the key thing to understand. You can't trade the S&P 500 directly on Robinhood because it's an index, not a stock. Instead, you use an ETF that tracks the index, and the most popular choice is SPY, the SPDR S&P 500 ETF. SPY is designed to move almost one-for-one with the S&P 500, so when the index goes up or down, SPY typically follows closely. Let's walk through how to buy it on Robinhood from start to finish. Open the Robinhood app and use the search bar to type in SPY. Tap on the SPDR S&P 500 ETF from the results to open its page. Next, tap Trade, then Buy. You'll be asked how much you want to purchase. You can enter a dollar amount, which is great for beginners because fractional shares are available starting at just $1, or you can enter the number of shares if you prefer whole share trading. After that, tap Review to double-check everything and then swipe to confirm your order. That's it. Once it fills, you own exposure to the S&P 500 through SPY. If you want to trade SPY more actively in the short term, the idea is simple. Buy when you think the market is going to rise and sell after the price moves up. Because SPY trades with very high volume, you'll usually see tight bid-ask spreads and quick order execution, which is helpful for traders. To manage risk and control your entries and exits, consider using a stop-loss order to limit potential downside and a limit order to set the exact price you're willing to pay or accept. These tools don't guarantee profits, but they help you trade with more discipline. You can also position for the market to go down. One way is by buying an inverse ETF such as SH, which is designed to move in the opposite direction of the S&P 500. Another approach is buying put options on SPY if you understand options and their risks. There's also the advanced route of shorting SPY, which requires margin and comes with added complexity and risk. Many investors choose SPY because it tracks roughly 500 major U.S. companies, giving you instant diversification. With one trade, you get broad market exposure across sectors, which can be simpler than picking individual stocks. Whether you're investing for the long term or trading short term, SPY offers a straightforward way to follow the S&P 500 on Robinhood.